And in this video I'm just going to show you that how to change the name of a particular collection on Instagram. You want to change the name of a collection and you don't know, so I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. Then simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on saved option. In the saved option, it will show you all of your collection which you have made it. Just simply select the collection to whom you want to change the name. Just simply tap on it and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on edit collection. So here you can see the name option after the change cover option. Just simply tap on it and then here change the name which you want and then just simply tap on the tick on the top right corner. So that's how you can easily change the name of a particular collection on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.